Zuppa Toscana, a Phillips all-in-one pressure cooker. Absolutely beautiful. The juices are kept in there. Gonna add my spices. This is beautiful. This is gonna make it creamy. This is really easy. Hey guys, I often show you the wonderful delicacies here in Taiwan. But now it's time to jump back and show you the great cuisines of my hometown. Okay guys, welcome to 小貝小吃. Welcome back to 小貝小吃. Now the great American cuisine that I want to show you guys is known as Zuppa Toscana. Now this actually is more of a Italian kind of French heritage soup, but it's really popular and people love it in America. Now if you look over here guys, we've actually got this. This is a Phillips all-in-one pressure cooker, 一锅万用锅. And they actually sent me this because they want me to try it out. We are going to be using this compared to a normal stove kind of pots and pans that we've got right here. Now they reached out to me and said they want me to use this for many different reasons, and it actually has lots of great benefits. Number one, adds up to 60% more of the amino acids, saves more than 20% protein. It's easy to use, super clean, nice, fast, and easy, and it makes the soup nice and thick. So guys, I'm super excited. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, now our very first step is the meat. So right here, I've actually got this, a nice big piece of beef. We're going to cut this up. I don't want to be too thick of pieces, but I want them nice enough where you can get a nice chewy bite on it and you can just enjoy the good flavor. You can come over here and shoot this, Matthew. This is beautiful. Whew. And now it's time to start sauteing the meat. So we're actually going to stop in this one first. You got to add some olive oil, about a teaspoon or so. Now I'm going to give it in half this meat right here. We're going to dump this guy in. And let's get this going. Now, another important meat that we want to put in is more of a ground beef. And this is actually going to be really important for the actual soup. It's going to add flavor and it's going to add lots of texture. There we go. Let's just let this go. Now what's really nice about this is I don't have to actually do the sauteing part. I don't have to worry about it burning. I put it in there, close the lid, choose the option, cow or anything that fits what you're cooking, and it'll take care of it for me. Gotta get this nice and brown, get a rich flavor in here. Now it's time to prepare our other things. The next is an onion. Now it's time to add some garlic. So I've got my cloves right here. We want to do about 2 each one. This is really easy. You just smash it just like that. And then if you want, you can, cut it up just a little bit. Gordon Ramsay would not be happy with me right now. Okay, this next part, we've now got to add in our little garlic and our onions. Absolutely beautiful. The juices are kept in there and they're all perfect, not like that in the rest of this. It's going to get it nice and juicy with the rest of it, and then we'll continue on with the next portion. Okay guys, these are looking fabulous. I'm going to turn down the heat, and now it's time to get ready for our next portion of this meal. Let me open this up and check it out. Come here. Look at this. It is all beautiful inside. Look at all these juices. Look at all the juices. The fragrance that's popping out. So now guys, we're gonna move to this next portion and we're gonna be adding the potatoes. Now potatoes are a super important part to this. So I've got 5 potatoes. We're gonna split them in half. You can cut them in big, thick wedges, almost like this, or even larger. Or you can cut them really small. It just depends on what you kind of like. Beautiful, isn't that? Our next step is going to be pretty special. We're going to add this into the soup. Now, I've already prepared chicken broth. So let's get half of the chicken broth. We're going to pour it right in here. Are you ready, Matthew? Look at that guy eat over there. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, potato, tomato. You've got a soup and a ladle. Ooh, yep, put those in. Beautiful. Now for me, I love my food to be packed full of spice, packed full of flavor. So I prepared some of these things that go really well in it and actually aren't too powerful. This one is just a normal ground pepper. Come here. You know what guys, I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to put a ton of ground pepper in here. Salt goes great with all these potatoes. This is the fun part. This is actually red ground pepper. It's going to add my spices And of course, I think it looks beautiful. So we'll put this on. Okay, now this is where making soup gets easy. And we're going to choose soup. It's that easy. Now, because this is a pressure cooker, everything's inside, it doesn't have to go as long. So I'm gonna come down right here. I'm gonna change the time to 20 minutes. That's all I need. So we've actually got these two right here, and there's a huge difference when it comes to the cooking methods. The main thing is the dual pressure system that goes in. It's a dual pulse pressure, and it's really neat because inside it locks all the air and it adds pressure. It does lots of really good things. I'm gonna put this cool little thing right here below. It's hard for me to really express it in my words how amazing it is, but the technology behind this really lets soups, teas, and lots of other different foods let their tastes out and much, much more. It enhances the food, its flavor, and its nutrients, right? Its nutrients. How does it enhance the nutrients? Well, check this out. This will help preserve lots of those great nutrients in your foods. We're talking 60% more amino acids, 20% more protein. Guys, this is your way to eat healthy and to keep all your nutrients in your food. It's also gonna make the food a lot better. It's gonna be an easier process. And guys, this is one fun way to cook. Another big thing is sometimes you know you're working, you're busy, and you come home and you don't have time to make dinner. It's not a problem with this. It's actually got a time feature. So what you do is before you go off to work, you dump your ingredients in, you hit your time. It could be 8 hours to 30 minute to 40 minute. Walk away, come back, and you've got yourself a rockin' meal. So guys, this is one of my very favorite things. Super glad I could show you guys. Now, it looks like these are both brewing up. They're almost ready to eat. So guys, let's jump into it and let's get eating. Look at that, Matthew. You smell that? Whew, fabulous. Now, we've actually got a few more things that we have to do. This is more of a whipping cream. We're gonna put half a cup in each. This is gonna make it creamy, and the cream is actually gonna pull out lots of the flavors, especially the chicken broth. And then, you've gotta add in your greens. So I'm just gonna get these, break them apart, drop those in. Ooh, look at that. You got this nice creamy chicken broth. Inside of it, tons of spices are coming out. And then I absolutely love the big, thick pieces of tomato. And I absolutely love the rich, thick pieces of this beef and potato that's in there. The soup from the pressure cooker. 这个比较白，对不对？比较黄色的。Let's try it out. Here we go. The potato melts in your mouth， 非常的软，对不对？ And 这个我没有用很久了，其实这个汤没有太水的，
入口即化。Ready。
很烫，很烫。那我现在要跟你说这个肉跟马铃薯没有像这个果子做的那么嫩，
这个味道比较重，
这个比较重，
这个比较香，
比较香。那个才是重点，对不对？
比较入口即化。 就这个超级棒，
超级棒。Okay, thank you. Now get back to work.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I had so much fun today showing you lots of this great American cuisine from my hometown. Now, once again, I am a huge fan of Taiwanese food, but American food's always #1 in my heart. Well, Mexican food's #1. But guys, super glad I can spend this time with you to show you this food and to show you all about this all-in-one pressure cooker. It's a new thing to me, and maybe a new thing to you guys. It keeps your food nutrients very well. It cooks food and makes it really easy. And once you're done, you seriously just pick up this little pot, put it on the table, and the whole family can eat. What do you think about these kind of videos? Do you like the cooking videos? Stay there. Phillips, 他们也给我这个我今天不会拍。这个是炸鸡锅。 气炸锅. This thing is actually awesome. I've seen lots of things about it. So, what should I make with this? Put it in the comments down below. We'll leave for like another video, you know? Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I love you all. Remember, hit subscribe to join me on this fun, epic adventure here in Taiwan to view lots of places to eat some wonderful cuisines. Also, make sure you guys hit like, comment, and guys, I think you all know what they say. 喝一杯，快乐一杯，米浆万岁！大家早安，就是我小贝米浆。今天太好了吧，对不对？大家过来，我们一起快乐，我们一起喝米浆，同一眼光炒米浆。Let's go！ 我每天都在想要不要喝米浆，嘿，我浆。